Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 28th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see equity markets open lower this morning, but quickly turned and rallied and put in a pretty strong finish. By the end of it, the Dow was higher by 258 points and sits right back at that downsloping 20-period moving average. The S&P 500 was higher by 18. The NASDAQ gaining 30 points, and the Russell 2000, which is made up mostly of small caps, higher today by 16.5 points. The bond market finished the day flat, was higher intraday, actually put in a new high before pulling back, and the yield on the 10-year note continues to drop. It settled at 1.470%, and actually the spread between the 2 and the 10-year widened a bit today. The 2-year is at 1.512%, while the 30-year bond continues to hold a yield under 2% and is at 1.942%. Crude oil got a boost for the second straight day. This time, it was after a surprise drop in U.S. crude inventories. That led to a 98-cent gain at the official close, or 1.78%, while gold giving back about 3 points today. This on some strength in the US dollar. Now, let's have a look at Netflix. Netflix, since reporting earnings back in July, has been in a steady decline, and momentum to the downside has been escalating here. So, if we look at the technicals, it looks likely to retest the December lows near 230. And that is a very, very key level for Netflix. If it fails to remain above 230, the next level of real support here comes in down to about $130. It's much clearer on the monthly chart. Here is that low, that December low near 230. And you can see that there really isn't any support here holding this up until we get down closer to 130. So you look at the monthly chart, we've put in a series of lower highs. We have yet to put in a lower low, but that 230 is that low. And if it fails to remain above there, it looks highly likely to head towards 130. So we'll keep an eye on Netflix along with the markets overall. But again, please subscribe by hitting the button below. And don't forget to also click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever we post a new video and you'll never miss one again. And also, if you're enjoying these, please do share with your friends. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.